Find me in Florida again. Ooh, that is not an alligator. That is a crocodile. I don't suggest you go in there. But if you do, and you come down here and you hand me another pamphlet for politics outside church again, this is what I'm going to do to you.
Too bad.
I'm going to feed you to them.
I'm really. If he had bigger teeth, I would be scared. Yeah, but he wouldn't attack me.
Is that a prediction? Come on, baby. Let's smile again. Just smile. Oh, it's St. Francis. We're going to go there. Yeah, that's right. We're going to smile. One more time.
Watch the baby.
Yeah, I don't suggest you do that again. That's not an alligator. That's a crocodile. The difference is their snout.
Crocodile.
Yeah, he needs a little spearmint gum there.
No, they have a special, it's a special American
Inside his mouth. There you are. This is Find Me in Florida again. Thank you.